Hey guys, today I want to show you how to add questions to Calendly. So first, log into our Calendly account here. I am already logged in. And then, go to Scheduling. Click on Scheduling tab here. Click on one of the meetings you want to add questions to. For example, this one. A pop-up right bar will appear here. Now, click on More Options and head over to Invitee form, and here you have the ability to add questions. For example, when you will be on the meeting, you can check if this questions is required. You can add multiple selected answer type if it is multiple lines or radio buttons or checkboxes, etc. You can add also another new questions. You can add questions about as much as you want, and when you're done, just click Save Changes. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe